In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to audit your Google business profile. Auditing your Google business profile is one of the simplest ways to improve your local visibility and help more customers find you. A well-optimized profile can support better rankings in Google search and maps, and it also makes your business look more trustworthy and complete. To begin, log into your profile and carefully review your core business details. This first check is important because even small inconsistencies can confuse search engines and potential customers. Start by auditing your basic business information, especially your name, address, and phone number. These details should match exactly across your Google business profile, your website, and any other online directories where your business appears. Consistency matters. Your business name should reflect your real-world branding and signage, without adding extra keywords. Also review your business hours and make sure both your regular schedule and any special holiday hours are accurate and up to date. Next, review your categories and services. Your primary category is one of the strongest ranking signals in your profile, so make sure it clearly describes your main business offering. Then look at your secondary categories and add a few closely related options that help broaden your visibility for relevant searches. After that, check your services or products section. Add clear, detailed descriptions, and if it makes sense for your business, include pricing or links for added clarity. The goal here is to make it easy for customers and Google to understand exactly what you offer. Now assess your photos and your updates. Photos are a major trust factor, and profiles with strong visual content tend to perform better. Add high-quality images of your storefront, team, interior, and products or services. It's also a good habit to upload something new at least once a month to keep your profile active. Then review your Google posts. Share updates, offers, or events to show that your business is active and engaged. After that, analyze your reviews and Q&A section. Compare your total number of reviews with similar businesses in your area, and make sure you respond professionally and promptly to both positive and negative feedback. Then check the Q&A area. If customers have asked questions, provide clear and helpful answers instead of leaving them unanswered. Finally, do a little competitor research. Search your main business keywords in Google Maps and look at the top local results. Pay attention to the categories they use, how many reviews and photos they have, and which profile attributes they've selected, such as accessibility features. This gives you a useful benchmark and can highlight areas where your own profile still needs improvement.